How to use a glass bee catcher. Bees and wasps can be a problem during the summer. You may want to enjoy sitting in your garden or running on your lawn without the fear of being stung. You can purchase a glass bee catcher from garden supply stores, home stores or online to solve the pest problem. They attract bees and wasps using a sweet liquid and kill them. Glass bee catchers are safe to use around pets and children and are not harmful to the environment like pesticides. Things you'll need: sugar, water, soda or juice. Remove the stopper at the top of the bee catcher. Pour in a sweet liquid. Use sugar, water, soda, juice or honey. Some bee catchers come with bait that you mix with water. Add about half a cup of the liquid. Add a couple of drops of dish soap to kill the bees faster. Replace the stopper. Some models of bee catchers come initially with stoppers on the bottom. Remove this stopper and throw it away, you will not need it again. Hang the bee catcher in an area where there are many bees. Slip the hook over a tree branch or hang it from a garden stake. If you have nowhere to hang the catcher, place it on a flat surface. Bee catchers have small feet on the bottom to elevate them. Bees and wasps are attracted to the sweet bait, fly into the bottom hole and drown. Empty the bee catcher once a week by removing the stopper and shaking out the dead bees and wasps into the garbage or compost. Look at the jar carefully to make sure no living bees are inside before you empty it. If there is movement, place the bee catcher in a bucket of water for a half an hour before removing the stopper. Clean the bee catcher thoroughly with soap and water. Replace the bait and hang again. Tips: warnings. If you are allergic to bees, ask someone to clean out the bee catcher.